Our next task is to find out what people know about inertia.
So, what does inertia mean to you?
Inertia is when something, like an object, hits something at a greater force than what it's.
Thank you.
Hey, we're doing a physics project. Can you tell us what inertia is?
Not right now, we're too busy.
Oh, okay. Excuse me, ma'am? We're doing a physics project. Do you know what inertia is? Oh, okay.
Do you know what
Thank
inertia
you.
is?
It's like joules. It would be the force behind your vehicle. Like if you had a 2,000-pound rig and then you had a 1,000-pound rig, there'd be more inertia behind the heavier rig.
Alright, thank you.
What should I say?
Good afternoon, how can I help you?
One quick question. We're doing a physics project. Can you tell us what inertia is?
Where, what is?
Inertia?
I'm not sure.
If you had to make a best guess.
If you had to make a best guess.
Hi, can I take your order?
Hi, can you please explain Newton's first law to me?
I'm sorry, what?
Newton's first law of motion?
Okay, I'm sorry. What? Run that by me again, I'm sorry.
Can you please explain Newton's first law of motion to me?
Okay. Can I get you something, or?
Yeah, how many calories is in inertia?
Is there something I can get for you, or?
Some diet soda would be great.
Yeah.
348.
Yeah, wait a second.
Have a good day.
One quick question, can you explain inertia to me?
The who?
Inertia?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. As a result of our studies, it's clear that the general public is just uneducated about anything related to Newton's first law. In this demonstration, we hope to teach you a thing or two about inertia. Which, as a matter of fact, inertia is not a who, but a what.
I'm Jacob.
I'm Mike.
And I'm Jared. And this is Cooking with the Boys. Today we'll be doing... What am I saying? Today we'll be doing cooking specializing in inertia. Hey Mike, what time is it? Inertia time!
Hey Jake, what does this recipe call for?
Well, you see, we're going to need 2 eggs, some water, and a little bit of Newton's first law.
What is Newton's first law?
Newton's first law is the law that states objects in motion tend to stay in motion, and objects at rest tend to stay at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force.
Nice.
Inertia.
Inertia.
Inertia. Well, you see, there's one thing about inertia that you need to understand. Oh, good tarnations! My mini pastries are ready.
Jacob, don't forget your oven mitts!
Inertia.
Now back to inertia. For this recipe, we're going to need 2 eggs, one of them which has to be hard-boiled. So right now, I'm going to go down to the hatchery and get us some nice fresh eggs. Ah, this hen here looks like she has some nice fresh ones ready for us.
Let me just put it in the boiling water. Now that our egg's done boiling, it's time to start the experiment.
Inertia.
In this demo, what we're going to be doing is explaining how when we spin the raw egg marked with marker, when it's spinning, we stop it. We're going to explain why it keeps spinning when we stop it.
This egg, however, will stop spinning when stopped, because its inside is hard as well as the outside, which is explained by inertia, says that something at rest wants to stay at rest.
The liquids inside of here, when the outside is stopped, will keep moving, causing the egg itself to move again once it's been stopped.
Inertia.
First, what we're going to do is spin the hard-boiled egg. When I stop it, it stops. And then second, what we're going to do is spin the raw egg, which when it's stopped, keeps spinning due to the liquids inside and inertia.
Objects in motion tend to stay in motion, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. We'll show you how it's done. We're gonna kick the inertia out of this guy.
Eggs in motion tend to stay in motion.
What in the first law is going on here? What in the name of Sir Isaac Newton?
Oh no! Holy Isaac!
For the love of all things inertia,